What products or services am I promoting? This is a common question we receive. Like any legit business, there are products involved, and this will be revealed as you take the next steps. You might wonder why it seems secretive. I had the same question when I first encountered this business opportunity. We're used to the traditional model where we see the business and the products up front. This might feel out of our comfort zone. However, let me assure you, we're not hiding anything. The reason we do it this way is to direct focus on the actual investment, which is the full system and the thorough training, plus the global community support. This is where the real value lies and should be the focus when deciding whether to start this online business. To give you the added assurance, the company we choose to leverage on has a strong foundation and international presence. This will also be revealed as you move forward. Plus, with our 30 days refund policy, there's no risk involved. So, what are we selling? We actually do sell in the traditional sense. Our proven system handles the selling part. The system promotes the products and videos and explains all the details, including the compensation plans, before you even start. All we need to do is focus on helping people start their business by providing support and leveraging on the given training tools and the automated system. I truly hope this is of help for you to understand our business, and it encourages you to get started with us.